Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, is this it? Is this who I've become? Is this all that's left? If you're over 50, listen carefully, because this might be the most important message you hear today. It's not too late to rebuild your strength, not too late to sharpen your mind, not too late to master yourself. And Stoicism is your weapon. Most men think Stoicism is about suppressing emotions. It's not. Stoicism is about control over your reactions, control over your thoughts, control over your life. By 50, you've seen things, you've faced betrayal, financial pressure, regret, loss, missed opportunities. But here's the truth: Stoics like Marcus Aurelius understood. You cannot control what happened. You can only control how you respond right now. Your past mistakes, lessons, your failures, training, your scars, proof you survived. A younger man chases validation, an older man builds inner power, and inner power starts with one question: what is in my control? Your health, you can improve it. Your mindset, you can discipline it. Your daily habits, you can refine them. Your reactions, you can master them. But complaining, blaming, dwelling on what could have been, that's surrender. Stoicism teaches something powerful. Amor fati, love your fate, not tolerate it, not resent it, love it. Because every hardship shaped you. Every struggle strengthened you, every setback prepared you. You're not behind. Your season. Men over 50 have something younger men don't: perspective. You've learned that anger burns you first, that ego destroys relationships, that peace is more valuable than pride. So here's your new mission. Wake up each morning and ask, what would a disciplined man do today? Not what a tired man would do, not what a bitter man would do. A disciplined man, he would train his body, read something meaningful. Speak less. Listen more. React slower. Forgive faster. Because mastery isn't loud, it's comfy. 50. Your greatest flex is not your car, not your bank account, not your status, it's your composure. When chaos hits and you stay steady, that's power. When someone insults you and you stay silent, that's strength. When life tests you and you don't break, that's mastery. And here's the final truth most men never realize. Your best years are not behind you. They are in your discipline. You don't need to be 25 to build muscled. You don't need to be 30 to build wealth. You don't need to be 40 to build respect. But you do need courage to rebuild yourself. And that courage, it starts today. Not next month, not next year. Today. Because Stoicism isn't about being emotionless, it's about being unshakable. So if you're over 50 and listening right now, stand up mentally. Decide that the next 10 years will be your strongest, your wisest, your most disciplined. You are not too old. You are not too late. You are not finished. You are just getting started. Master yourself, and you master your life. If this message resonated with you, subscribe and begin the journey. Because a calm mind is a powerful weapon.